This is a standard desk mount bracket which can fit desks up to 1.5 inches in width and has a twist key on the bottom used to secure the bracket to the desk. It also has a U-channel for the panel and a set screw on the side used to secure the panel. This bracket can be configured for larger desks by removing the two screws and rotating the bottom portion of the bracket. This modified bracket can fit desks up to 2.5 inches in width, but it has the same exact functionality as the original. In order to install this bracket, you slide it onto the desk and secure it using the twist key on the bottom. Once the bracket is secured, you take your panel and slide it into the U-channel. Then, with the Allen wrench provided, you can tighten the set screw on the side so that the panel is securely in place.